Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. How is doing everybody? I'm doing great today. Nice to see you all again. Okay, before we continue our lesson today, so let's reciting basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With by doa, we can start and can understand it well. Okay, for the absent, I will share on WhatsApp group. So, jangan lupa untuk diisi sebelum mata pelajaran kita berakhir ya. Okay, class. Now, I wanted to ask to you all in this class who have the hobby of cooking. Wow, very much people like cooking in this class. Okay, Sopwa, can you tell us why do you like cooking? Very good reason, Sofa. Thank you. And then, why do we have to be able to cook? Very good, Hilal. And then, Anggi? Okay, that's good, I think. Okay, Novia, how about you? Wow, excellent class. Thank you. Okay, so from cooking, we can make us more creative. Siapa tahu juga nanti ada yang bisa jadi chef dan lain-lainnya. Okay, based on what we have talked before, so do you know what are we going to learn today? That's good so far. And then thank you, Anggi. Okay, today we are going to learn about how to cooking, and our lesson called is procedure text. Jadi hari ini kita akan belajar tentang procedure text. Okay, everyone I think must have cooked recipe. You can make very nice Indonesian food and then drink, so you can sell to around people in this world. That's okay. So I have a video for the explanation of procedure text. So pay attention please to this video.
Procedure text. Do you know what is procedure text? Procedure text is a text which contains goals and steps to create or to do something. Procedure text adalah sebuah teks yang berisi langkah-langkah untuk membuat atau menciptakan sesuatu. What is the purpose of procedure text? Apa tujuan dari procedure text? To show how to do something through sequential steps so that the readers can reach the goal. Jadi tujuan dari procedure text adalah untuk menunjukkan bagaimana cara untuk melakukan sesuatu melalui langkah-langkah yang berurutan. What are the characteristics of procedure text? Apa ciri-ciri dari procedure text? The first, using simple present tense. Next, using imperative sentence atau kalimat perintah. Next, using action verbs. For example, put, slice, mix. Next, using numbering or temporal conjunction. For example, first, second, then, next, finally. The generic structure of procedure text. The first, goal or purpose, tujuan. Tujuan dari procedure text tersebut. For example, how to make fried rice, how to make noodle. The ingredients or materials, alat-alat dan bahan-bahan untuk membuat noodles tersebut. Next, steps or methods. Langkah-langkah pembuatannya. The first, the second, the third, next, then, and finally. How to make iced lemon tea. The ingredients or materials: 1 bag of tea bag, 2 pieces of lemon orange, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 6 ice cups, 50 ml of hot water, 150 ml of cold water. The steps are: the first, brew tea bag in 50 ml of hot water. The second, add sugar and then stir until evenly distributed. The third, squeeze the lemon, then pour lemon juice into the tea. The fourth, add ice cups and add 150 ml of cold water. The fifth, stir until the lemon juice mixed with the tea. The sixth, Add lemon slice as decoration. And finally, iced lemon tea is ready to be served.
Have you finished watch the video? Have you got it? Any question? Nothing. Okay, so from the video that we learn about procedure text, so there is the generic structure and then a language feature that used in procedure text dan contoh-contohnya. So here I have a picture. So do you know what the picture about? Okay, that's good. This is the example of procedure text. So what is the type of procedure text from this picture? That's good. It's text manual. Okay, that's right. The picture is example of manual procedure text. Okay class, I have to show you the video explanation from procedure text and then give example of procedure text. So who can give me another example from procedure text? You can just mention the title. Okay, make a banana and then make a noodle, so make coffee and etc. Very good Hilal and Anggi. Thank you class. Now, I think you have understood the material today. Okay, class, you have know about how to make a procedure text and then what is the language feature, so generic structure from procedure text. Now, time for exercise. Okay, before I tell you how to do it, first I will make into two groups. So first group 1, Hilal and Sofa. For group 2, Anggi and Nopia. So for the rules, group 1 will make one simple procedure text recipe using language feature, and please identification the language feature from group 2. Dan juga sebaliknya, grup 2 akan membuat simple recipe using language feature and then identification the language feature that used from example procedure text yang dibuat dari grup 1. Sampai sini paham? Okay, any question? That's good. Now you all can do the assignment. Have you finished class? 1 minute, the time left. Okay, the time is over. Well done group. Give applause. Okay, now please collect the assignment on WhatsApp group. So I would like to say thank you for group 1 and group 2 have do the assignment very good. Okay, now please group 1 read the result of simple recipe procedure text that example from group 2, and please tell us the identification that you have got from the example. Dan juga seperti itu juga ya group 2 rulesnya. Okay, wow groups, your work is very good according that what I asked. Congratulations. It means you all have understood that what we have learned today about procedure text. Thank you. Now for evaluation. Untuk memastikan kalian sudah paham tentang materi kita hari ini, so I wanna ask to you all give the conclusion from our lesson today. So Sofa, tell me please that what goal of procedure text? Wow, very good. And then Anggi, what must language feature from procedure text? Okay, thank you Anggi and Sofa. So the language feature that used in procedure text there are the use adverbial of sequence, kemudian menggunakan simple present tense, kemudian use command, and then using adverbial. So procedure text is a text that is designed to describe how something is a type through a sequence of action or step. Jadi procedure text ini bisa kita gunakan saat kita mau membuat resep, kemudian membuat sesuatu yang berurutan seperti cara memakai baju yang benar, kemudian cara membuat banana dan lain-lainnya. Okay, I think that you all have understand that what our lesson today is about procedure text. So the last I will give you homework. Homeworknya nanti akan Miss upload di Google Classroom. So I think that's all our lesson today. Wish you understand, and then don't forget study hard, and then don't forget to do homework. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. See you next week. Let's close our lesson today by reciting Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Okay, see you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.